Hello friends, I am Khatri Tahira. I am studying in semester 6 of TYBSc, roll number 21, subject English seminar. Today I am going to represent the seminar Invention that changed the world but were made by mistake. Every day we use products like microwaves and boxes of matches to make our lives easier. But believe it or not, these ingenious inventions that allow us to live out our life hassle-free were not product of trial and error, but were created entirely by accident. Yes, we have serendipity to thank for staggering amount of things in our life, ranging from delicious potato chips to the literal life-saving drug penicillin. When you think of people who invented something that is used daily in the world today or something that has literally changed the world, you immediately think of some extraordinary clever scientist who recite physics formula day and night. But that is not true for all inventors. Think necessity is the mother of invention? Not always. Necessity is the mother of all invention, as the famous saying goes, but they have also been quite few times that some major scientific and technological invention were created fluke. Some There is very thin line between brilliant innovation and absolute failure, as some of these inventors famously found out. Some of the most popular products we use today were an accident stumbled on by clumsy scientists, chief, chips who spiller things, and misguided inventors who, in the case of the glue used in post-it notes, were trying to create the opposite of what they ended up with. But we can all take comfort in knowing when some hug mistake can come with silver linings, sometimes big enough to change the entire industry, and sometimes even forgetting to wash your hand is advantageous. The courses of human evolution has been punctured by long succession of the chain discovery and accidental invention, and in fact experts estimated that between 30 to 50% of all scientific discoveries are in some way accidental. The following accidental inventions from the past 2 centuries have changed the world in one way or another. I am going to represent the some of the most notable example, incredible accidental science and technological discovery that have changed the world. In terms of many of society's most well-known inventions were simply mistakes made by scientists on alternative quest. Number 1, X-ray. Of course, X-ray are the phenomena of the natural world and thus cannot be invented, but they were discovered by accidentally. Inventor Wilhelm Roentgen, an eccentric physicist. What he was trying to make, he was interested in the investigating the properties of cathodic radium. How it was created when shining light through the tubes. He noted fluorescent paper in his lab were illuminated even though his machine had an opaque cover. This picture, he discovered that putting his hand in front of the glue allow him to see past his skin to his bone, thus leading to the world's first X-ray. Number 2, microwave. Inventor Percy Spencer, an engineer with the Raytheon Corporation. What he was trying to make, the engineer was conducting radar-related research project with a new vacuum tube. How it was created, Spencer realized that the candy bar in his pocket began to melt during his experiments. He then put popcorns into the machine, and when he started to pop, he knew he had revolutionary device on his hand. Related images: melt the candy bar, popcorns in machine. Number 3, pacemaker. Inventor John Hobbs, an electrical engineer. What he was trying to make, Hobbs was conducting research on hypothermia and was trying to use radio frequency heating to restore body temperature. How it was created? During his experiment, he realized if a heart stopped beating due to cooling, it could be started again by artificial. Number 4, slinky. Inventor Richard Jones, a naval engineer. What he was trying to make, a meter designated to monitor power on naval battleship. How it was created? John was working with tension springs when one of them fell to the ground. The spring kept bouncing from place to place after it hit the ground, and the slinky was born. Number 5. Penicillin. Inventor Sir Alexander Fleming, a scientist. What he was trying to make? Ironically, Fleming was searching for wonder drug that could cure diseases. However, it was not until Fleming threw away his experiment that he found what he was looking for. How it was created? Fleming noticed that contaminated petri dish he had discarded contained a mold that was dissolving all the bacteria around it when he grew the mold by itself. He learned that it contained a powerful antibiotic, penicillin. Number 6. Coca-Cola. Inventor John Pemberton, a pharmacist. What he was trying to make? Living in Atlanta in the 1880, Pemberton sold a syrup made of wine and coca extra he called Pemberton's French Wine Coca, which was created a cure for headaches and nervous disorder. How it was created? In 1885, Atlanta banned sale of alcohol, so Pemberton created purely coca-based version of the syrup that could be mixed with carbonate water and drunk as soda. The result was perfect beverage for the temperance era, a brand tonic called Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola related images. Number 7. Teflon. Inventor Roy G. Plunkett. What he was trying to make? The scientist was working at the DuPont Company's Jackson laboratory in 1938 researching refrigerants. How it was created? When he noticed that some his gas had turned into the white powder, after some testing, Plunkett concluded that the substance was heat resistant with a low surface friction, giving it the perfect properties for its many uses we see today. Number 8. Viagra. Inventor, scientist at Pfizer, 1922. What he was trying to make? Though it did not work, the men taking part in the study refused to give up their medicine. A Welsh Hamlet was ground zero for test on pill to fight angina. How it was created? Unfortunately for the afflicted, it had little success against the disease. Number 9. Velcro. Inventor George D. Mestral. What he was trying to make? Made an interesting discovery while walking his dog. When they returned home to decided to the burdock seed that had stuck to his cloth. How it was created? He noticed that they had lots of tiny hooks that easily attached and stuck firmly to fabric and fur. The master realized he could create a new fastening system using the concept, and Velcro was brought into existence. One day in 1941, Swiss engineer George de Mestral took his dog for a walk in the Swiss mountain. By the time they returned home, his clothes and his dog were covered with a cocklebur seed. Curious about what had made these seeds stick to fabric, George decided to examine them under a microscope. He found that the seed had tiny hooks that had stuck to the loops of the fabric. George decided to use of some principal tiny hooks and loops to develop a new and better fastener than the zippers available at the time. After many experiments, he developed two nylon tapes which stuck together when pressed. A Velcro brand fastener was patented in 1951 and is now used in many products including shoes, jackets and bags. Related image, Velcro. Number 10. Potato chips. Inventor George Crumb, a chief at the Kerrymoon Lake House in Saratoga Springs. What he was trying to make? A plate of fried potato. How it was created? One day a customer sent back his plate of potatoes many times and kept asking for them to be more fried and thinner. Crumb lost his temper, sliced the potatoes insanely thin and fried them until they were hard as rock. The Chips surprise to the customer, loved them and wanted more. Chips, potato chips. Some other inventions: silly pie, chocolate chip cookies, firework, cornflakes, LSDS drug, jet printers, post-it notes, and artificial sweetener. We should all be grateful that the universe gifted us with this world-changing accidental invention. Innovation moves science, technology, and mankind forward, and this is the highest reward that an inventor can receive. Use our imagination, knowledge, and enthusiasm to become part of a new generation of innovators. Improve our world with our invention. Thank you.
Try to make it on me,